Hi traders, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome. My name is Chris. I've been trading for over 30 years. I started in my 20s, now I'm in my 60s, and I love teaching, I love trading, and gold is my speciality. That I do Forex as well, but nonetheless gold is highly profitable. And what I'm going to do in this short video is show you the best gold trading software there is that I've ever seen in 30 years of trading. Okay, so stick with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes, grab a coffee and enjoy the next few minutes. So this is what we call gold on steroids. For those people who have it, then obviously this coaching video is useful to you, just as a reminder as to how it works, why it works, and how to profit. So I've marked these areas here with an eyeball because that's the interesting part of the system and the software. So these are reversal points, reversal points, reversal points. Okay, so this is a reversal point, this is a reversal point, there's a reversal point. I can keep going on forever, but I won't. Reversal point, reversal point. Now of course you could do it manually, but there's a much easier way. I've done a Fibonacci, dragged this here to there, and the price went up to the 618%, 1945, and then completely bounced off that area and reversed and went down. You could do that all day long if you want, but there's a much easier way to do it. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to build up the chart so you can actually see whether it's your cup of tea, whether you like this kind of trading, and I think you will. We offer a package where you can buy the software, £300, and you get 3 months coaching with me, and I will support you throughout to make sure you are successful over that 3 months. And then there's the signals at £50 a month. If you want to go for the signals before you purchase the software, then that's fine. I'll give you the signals, and that's £50 a month, and the links are all below. So let's start building this chart. So how do I know these are important areas of reversals? How do I know it's going to go up to there? How do I know this is going to be a reversal to there? How do I know this is actually going to go to there? I can't predict the future, can I? Well, almost, not quite there yet, but nonetheless it's very accurate in terms of reversal points. So let's go through it, shall we? Now what you have here is a channel. Okay, very simple. It's rather like a Bollinger Band, but much better. So what this does, it actually measures overbought and oversold conditions that are going to reverse, and this is how it works. So as you can see, the eyeballs are here and here, for instance. So whenever the price moves out of this channel, then it's gone too far too quickly. Okay, it's gone too far too quickly and has to rebound. So let's go over a few positions here. So here, outside the channel, reverses. It's in a downtrend anyway, so the better ones are to the top. Here, 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 and so on and so forth. So it's highly accurate, and that's the important thing. Highly simple. But we can add to that. So understanding that concept is relatively simple, isn't it? Once you have the software, that's quite straightforward, and it is. The best things are simple. So here we have an outside bar, what we call an outside bar, and if you purchase the software, I will actually let you know when I see an outside bar. It's not a signal, but it will be, I'll mention it to say an outside bar, look out, is going to fall. Outside bar, look out, is going to rise. Outside bar, look out, it's going to rise. Outside bar, look out, it's going to rise. So I'll actually put in the Telegram channel where there's a specific page. I will actually let you know what's going on every day in the markets. All right. So that being said, of course, now you can see the selling opportunities and the buying opportunities. So as soon as you see this going on here, you can sell it there, no problem at all with the stop up there, or you can wait for the sell signal. The sell signals are highly accurate and they measure volume into the market. So volume is going up here to the downside, the sellers are coming in, and of course the sell signal measures that, and it also confirms that it's achieving lower lows from the previous candle. So that's really important, and it's the same for the buy as well. Same for the buy as well. Same for the buy as well. And you don't need much movement to make money. That's the important thing. So let's have a look at some numbers, shall we? So this sell here, 108 pips. This buy here, 68 pips. Another sell there, another sell there. We'll ignore those for the moment. So an outside bar, lost my tool then. That's a big one, 124 pips or more, but you know when to exit, of course. If you're buying long here, you don't want to be long here. You can see why. You have to think short here. It's not achieving higher highs. You can see that, and a sell signal appears within an hour, and away it goes. So let's have a look at that. So let's say from here, if you didn't get in early, 103 pips. And this was an outside bar that didn't go far, but if you got in early enough, then to the 60 pips. All right, and we often go for the 2-4-6 system. I'll explain all that in the coaching video, that once you get in, you'll understand it a little bit more. But outside bar there, down 71 pips. Outside bar there, 146 pips. You get the picture. And I'm going to dive into the 5-minute chart in a minute, just to show you the details of the entry points. And when I give you a signal, it will be based upon a 5-minute confirmation. So here we go. There's a buy signal here, and that is worth maximum 88 pips. All right, so that gives you a flavor of what we're actually looking for. We don't want to be trading when it's in neutral, if you like. I want to see that it's moved significantly, and you can see this is a 30-minute chart. So within a week, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, possibly 4, 5, 6 signals. So pretty much every day you're going to get a signal if we spot the price out there. Now, if you're not on the signals, you've just got the software, then obviously I'll just give you the heads up to say, look out, this is going to go and reverse. If you're on the signals, then of course I'll give you the exact entry points, the exact stops, and the targets as well. So I've moved on to the, let me get rid of some of this here. There we go. So once we have the situation, this is a 15-minute chart. You can use the 5-minute as well. That's fine. And we have a couple of things here. We have order blocks. We have order blocks on the 30-minute as well. So that gives us an inclination of where it's going. We have DVG as well. So, and breaker structure, change of character, etc. on these as well. But the important thing here is from the perspective of the price being overbought and oversold on the 30-minute, then we look for the 15-minute to give way and to confirm the direction. So here's the overbought conditions on the 30-minute chart, on the 15-minute, and we can see the structure change. We have change of character here. It comes back into the order block, and then you have a sell-off here. And also notice this tool here on the software actually tells you to sell, and it also goes red, the moving average as well. 116 pips. Now, in terms of a buy, once we get the conditions correct on the 30-minute, i.e. oversold completely outside the channel, then of course what we're going to have is a change of character. This is the change of character and the buy signal here, and also notice this goes green. So you would have got a signal here to buy, and you would have got maximum 109 pips there. Now the targets that I give are very specific. You'll be given 3 targets, and I'll explain more about that once you come onto the signals or the charts into the software. So here again we have a breakdown on the order block, and a sell signal goes red here, and that's another nice move there. 112 pips reversal here, so the maximum there is going to be 78 pips. So let me go to the 30-minute and the 5. So excuse me. So we can quickly see the reversal points. Excuse me. But as we can see, we don't want to be trading when it's in neutral, particularly, or when we don't have overbought conditions. So I've moved back into the 30-minute chart, so a good understanding of where the entry is likely to be, and so on, using the 15-minute chart and then the 30-minute chart at the same time. As I say, you can go into the 5-minute, that's fine, just as good. But here's the conditions in a little bit more detail. We have the order blocks, so any price that comes outside the channel and hits an order block, then that's a very early signal. We don't have any green order blocks, obviously, because it's in a downtrend, but a great way to see where to get in. Now, the other thing we've got here, which is fantastic, are 2 tools. The stochastic here is measuring overbought and oversold conditions, the extreme, and this is why this was developed. This was developed to measure overbought, oversold conditions, so you can get into a reversal. Doesn't matter where the trend is, you're going to get corrections to the upside, you're going to get corrections to the upside, and you're going to get continued downtrends as well. So what we've got here, for instance, you don't want to be in this position here because it's gone too far. As you can see, it's not outside the channel, but this is highly likely to come down at some stage. You don't want to be going long here, as you can see. Now this is absolutely perfection. So we can see that the stochastic here is overbought. These are leading indicators, overbought, telling you that the price is going to go down in advance, and it does. And this indicator is very powerful indeed, because it not only gives you price action live, but it also gives you volume live as well. So in a buying situation, you're looking for green volume. The buyers are coming in with a buy signal from oversold. The price is going up. Same for a sell. Price has gone too far. The stochastic is telling you. Okay, the stochastic is telling you. Now this, for instance, is saying this has gone too far. Above this blue line here. And overbought here, but look where it is in terms of the channel. This is not a signal. All right, this is not a signal, because this is the signal. As soon as it comes outside the channel, heads up, you've got to get ready to trade. Again, with volume to the downside, everything goes red. The candles go red. The sell signal tells you, and then the price moves. This might not seem a lot, but that's 124 pips to there. Again, you don't want to be in this position here, do you? Overbought, bought, sorry, oversold, and outside the channel, highly likely to reverse. How far it reverses, well, we can do some calculations on that as well. This is fantastic because it tells you the volume, tells you the direction, it's color coded, so it's very, very simple indeed. And all you're looking for is the price to fall outside the channel. A fantastic system. If you're interested in coming on board, great to see you and work with you for 3 months in getting you to become a professional gold trader, or if you just want to earn a part-time income. So have a wonderful day, and any questions, the links are all below. So have a great day.